Hi guys, yeah, I can tell I'm sleepy, right? So yeah, nonetheless, first of all, I would like to apologize for not being consistent with my work, for disappearing. I don't do this full time, and I'm a student, so it's very hard, to manage my time. But this is not an excuse. I am so sorry, and I will try to get better and be more consistent. And yes, thank you so much again to all my dear viewers. I am so grateful for you all, and it is because of you all that I get this motivation to to keep on making all of these videos for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me, and for the new ones as well. Please stick around to my channel, subscribe to it. I've got a lot of exciting content for you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this next video. This video is actually a short funny video on Instagram. We just made it that way, just a short 1-minute video, but it quickly escalated into acting in a skit in Teachers Day. So we had to act it out as a skit, and it was kind of for Teachers Day, so it was kind of short, right? So we decided on improvising by blending two stories together and making it into one so that it becomes longer and hopefully funny. So yeah, that was the idea. So basically, I'm going to show you all first the first video, the short funny video on Instagram. I'm going to show that first, and then after that we move to the skit. So yeah, and in the skit you'll see where we implemented the two videos together. Where we merged them together. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I would like to thank again to all of you who are going to watch this. Thank you so much for watching it. I may be bad, I may be good, but thank you so much for appreciating my work, and I promise you I'll get better each day. And thank you so much again to St. Edmund's College, especially the Sociology department, who gave me the opportunity to act out in this skit and do this skit and make the skit for you all. So thank you so much, and thank you so much to my Instagram followers as well for watching the funny video and for supporting me, which gave me the motivation to actually do it live. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much to one and all. To anyone I've missed out, yeah, and to you all also, thank you so much. Everyone means the world to me, and I sincerely hope that you all enjoy it. Yeah, so that's about it. I know I talked too much, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, bye guys, peace.
Starts with the letter D. Kalia?
Donkey.
Just like you. Now class, the next letter. Name me an animal which starts with the letter D. Yes, Kalia.
Two donkeys, sir.
You stupid boy! Get up! Now, class, before we end this session, name me an animal which starts with the letter M.
Sir,
What animal?
maybe a donkey.
Nonsense! Nonsense! Nonsense!
Alright, now. Okay, class. Today we're going to talk about animals. So name me any animal that starts with the letter Z. You, stand up. Tell me. Tell me. How do you not know? Answer such a simple question. How do you sit down? What's your name?
Sir, MP.
What does MP stand for?
So, Woman Pradhan.
What about your father's name? What's your father's name?
MP, sir.
What is MP?
Woman Pradhan, sir.
What about your mother's name? What's your mother's name?
MP, sir.
What is MP again?
Many Python, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
Sir, MP.
Wait, I can guess it. Madhya Pradesh?
Manipur, sir.
Don't try to act funny with me, huh? I'm telling you. Don't try to act smart with me. Okay, let's see now who's smarter right here, right now. Tell me your younger brother's educational
MP,
qualifications.
sir.
What is that?
Metric pass.
Okay, describe your personality to me.
MP, sir.
What does that mean?
Mind-blowing personality.
And why are you dressing up with this?
MP, sir.
What's that?
Money problems.
You want to know what your MP?
So, what, MP?
You want to know what your MP?
Yes, sir.
MP is your performance. Right. Your performance, your exam is just like an MP.
So, MP, sir.
That is like performance of a mental patient. You got that smart me, I'm telling you, sit down. Okay, now moving on. Next letter. Okay, class. Name me any animal that starts with the letter D. Anyone?
Doggy, sir.
Donkey, not just like MP out here.
Most probably, sir.
Okay. Now next letter. Name me any animal that starts with the letter T. Anyone? Yes. Yeah.
Two donkeys.
Get out of class. Go. Stand there. Rubbish. Okay. I think it's almost time. Okay. Before we end this period, last question. Name me any animal that starts with the letter M. Anyone?
Stop, stop.
Yes.
Maybe a donkey.
Hold your ears. Hold your number down. Cut. 1, 2, 3. Okay, before I leave, remember, please, I beg of you, please use other words in the English dictionary, not just MP, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
MP, sir.
Yes?
My pleasure.